So, Frank, staying out on the roads happening on Thursday of this week. You may notice extra law enforcement and transportation personnel along some interstates and other major highways. And that's because local and state agencies will hold a full-scale hurricane evacuation exercise to test South Carolina's ability to enact lane reversals for South Carolina's major coastal regions. That, of course, includes us. No traffic lanes will be reversed during the annual drill. That drill is expected to run from 8 in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon around here. State Emergency Management will be testing lane reversals for Highways 501 and 544. Again, the exercise will not interfere with traffic. Intersections will not be blocked. However, law enforcement officers and state personnel will be located on the shoulders of the highways and at exits.